Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss some numerical based on three-phase transformer. This is part 1 and I will develop one more part, that is part 2. Okay, so this is the first question we have. Determine the number of turns per phase in each winding of a three-phase transformer with ratio of this volt. So I have given थ्री फेज ट्रांसफार्मर वोल्टेज रेशियो क्या है 20,000 ऑब्लिक 2000 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज single phase. Okay, the high voltage winding, that is the high voltage winding, and this is the low voltage winding. You can say 20,000 high voltage and 2000 low voltage. This high voltage winding is delta connected, okay, and the low voltage winding is star connected. This is star connected. Okay, each core has cross section of 500 centimeter square. Area is given 500 centimeter square. Assume the flux density B equal to given 1.2 Tesla. So since primary is 20,000 delta connected है तो E1 equal to E1 phase voltage equal to कितना है 20,000 इक्वल टू क्या होता है फेज वोल्टेज इक्वल टू √3 सॉरी नॉट √3 4.44 F phi m N1. So 20,000 equal to 4.44 F flux phi equal to the B into area BM into A into N1 per phase. That is the E1 per phase है. Okay, so you can find this is known, this is 50, BM is known, area is known. You can find N1 phase, N1 per phase. Number of turns on primary side per phase is 20,000 upon 4.44. Frequency is given 50. BM is given 1.2. Area is given 500 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, so you will get, everything is known, you will get N1 per phase. Okay, so if you use the calculator you will get it. So by using the calculator I am getting 1500 turns. Okay, now we know the formula. You can find N2 directly by using this formula. So E2 per phase क्या होगा? E2 per phase 2000 y upon √3, because this is given the line voltage 2000. It is a line voltage, right? So in case of phase voltage क्या होगा? Line voltage upon √3. So this is this one equal to what? 4.44 F 50 4.44 F BM equal to given 1.2. Area is given 500 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into N2 per phase. So from here you can get N2 phase, number of turns per phase. So this is right. So by using the calculator I am going to get just 2000 divided by √3. It is 1154.7 upon 4.44 into 50 into 1.2 into 500 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So this divided by 4.44 divided by 50 divided by 1.2 divided by 500 exponential minus 4 equal. So I'm getting 86.68. I'm getting 86.68. You can say 87 tons, right? So that is the answer. That is the 1500. That is the N1 number of tons per phase primary side, and this is on the secondary side, right? Now, so I'm going to discuss one more problem. I'm rubbing it. In this way you can find. Just you must know the relationship for delta and star. If you know this relationship, you can find the number of turns. Okay. Next question I'm going to solve. Question number 2. A three-phase (50 Hz) transformer has iron cross section of 400 centimeter square. Area is given 400 centimeter square into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. If the flux density be limited to 1.2, B is given 1.2 Tesla. Find the number of turns per phase on high voltage side and low voltage side. The voltage ratio is given 2200/110 volt, right? The high voltage being connected in star, this is star, and low voltage is in delta, this is low voltage in delta, right? So this is the high voltage side and this is the low voltage side. You please. Okay, so high voltage side क्या है? On high voltage side, that is the primary, क्या है? E1 phase voltage क्या होगा primary side का? 2200 is the line voltage. Always given voltage will be the line voltage. So this is the line voltage, right? This is the line voltage. Always in case of three phase circuit anywhere in the world, given voltage will be the line voltage. So ये क्या है? Line voltage. और स्टार में phase voltage क्या होता है? This upon root 3. 2200 upon root 3. Okay, equal to क्या होता है? 4 BM into area, 4.44 F 5M. 5M equal to the B into area into number of turns per phase. So you know everything, you can find the number of turns per phase. Number of turns per phase equal to क्या आएगा? This 2200 upon root 3. It is 2200 upon root 3. Bhagit root 3. I am getting 1270. 1270 I am getting. So it is 1270 upon 4.44. Frequency is given 50. BM is given 1.2 Tesla. This is BM is given 1.2 Tesla into area is given 400 into 10 raised to power minus 4. N1 per phase we have to find. So by using the calculator I am trying to get it. So 1270 upon 4.44 into 50 into 1.2 into 400 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So I am getting 138. I am getting 138 turns on the primary side and N2 per phase equal to secondary side. Low voltage side क्या है? Delta connected है. So line voltage and phase voltage will be same, that is 110. No need to divide by 12 root 3. Okay, line voltage phase voltage will be same. So phase voltage क्या होगा? Same, 110 upon 4.44 into 50 into 1.2 into 400 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So by using the calculator I am getting approximately 12. So these are the 12 turns you can get. Okay, so in this way any type of transformer connection, you can find the number of turns. You can find any quantity, but you must know the relationship between delta and star. Okay, so you must know it, you will get it. So I am rubbing it. Okay, now these two problems are sufficient. I will discuss in the part 2. I will discuss 2 more problems for star delta, sorry, for VV connection or open delta connection. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.